YouTube, welcome to Irwin's Way. Tonight's menu is going to be shrimp and grits. Starting off with our ingredients, we're going to have large cooked shrimp, smoked turkey, Morton salt, heavy whipping cream, mixed vegetables, white wine, cooking wine that is, pepper, black pepper, minced garlic, blackening seasoning, onion powder, old-fashioned grits. And this is what my shrimp look like once I cut the tails off, because they are deveined with the tail on, so I cut mine off. Just a choice. So we're going to start off by cutting my sausages up so that they could be the first thing on the menu going into the pot. And so we just want to cut them small sizes. Roll away from it. You don't have to use all the sausage if you don't want, because of course you got a lot of shrimp, but that's up to you. I think that should be enough. Hey YouTubers, I almost forgot. I wanted to season up my shrimp before I sauteed them. So we're gonna season up the shrimp now. Add a little bit of onion powder, just a little, depending upon how much you like it. A little bit of black pepper. And our favorite, our blackening seasoning. This is where the flavor comes in at right here. So that's all you need right there. And now take the spoon, kind of mix them up. And so now I'm getting ready to saute my sausage, and we'll be right back with that. Hey YouTube, we're back. Starting to saute my smoked sausage. So now I'm gonna add my minced garlic. Just 2 little spoonfuls of that. No more than that. That's it. That's all you need right there. Next, we're gonna add smoked turkey. Saute them. Have them on medium heat for about 2 or 3 minutes. Until you brown both sides of them. And then so now after this, we'll be adding my mixed vegetables along with to get the seasoning. And we'll be right back. Yeah. Everything's cooking real nice. This is what you want it to look, just like this. Now, we're gonna add a little bit of cooking wine to it. Give it that extra flavor. And while that is simmering, I'm gonna turn my water on for my grits so they can come to a boil so that everything will kind of be ready at the same time. And once this is simmering like this, then my shrimp is gonna be the last thing that I add because they're already partially cooked. So all you need is this right here. Yeah. I'll let them season down. On medium heat. Let them cook like that for at least maybe 10 minutes. And then we're gonna add our heavy whipping cream. This is the last thing you're gonna add. Shrimp. What you're gonna do after this is cover it up and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And we'll be right back. So here we go. It's about 5 minutes away from being done. I'm gonna get my water ready for my grits. I'm not gonna show y'all how to cook grits. So we'll be back when we're ready to plate it. Welcome back, YouTube. Here's my finished product, my shrimp and grits. Looks fantastic, nice and yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video tonight. I hope my wife enjoyed this meal that I prepared for her later on. Also, last but not least, like, subscribe, and share this video. Until the next time, do it Irwin's way.